Students, Devyani ma'am here. So today we are going to start with limitations of planning. Though planning it's very important for any organization, but still planning is also having certain limitations. Let's see what are the limitations of planning. The very first one, planning leads to rigidity. How it is rigid? Because the things are planned beforehand, and in case if any change is there in organization, then it's very difficult to make changes in the already prepared plan. Let's see what is written over there in your screen. Just see your screen. In organization, a well defined plan is drawn up, and it is drawn up to fulfill a specific goal. Now all the course of actions are depend on these plans only. So in case in any change is required, then it's very difficult to make change in the entire plan. So planning leads to rigidity. Moving towards the next, students, planning may not work in a dynamic environment. We have already done business environment, and we know this part, that business environment is dynamic. It's nothing is constant. So while making plan, the organization has to continuously they have to make changes in their plan, and many times it's very difficult or it's not possible to make changes every now and then. And planning cannot foresee everything, and thus there may be obstacle in effective planning, or it is not going to work in dynamic environment. Planning reduce creativity. Definitely planning reduce creativity. Let's see how it is going to reduce creativity. Now planning in an activity, or it is an activity which is done by top management, and rest of the employees are going to follow it. So the rest of the employees, I mean to say middle level and the operational level, they never use their brain, and they just simply follow whatever plan is given to them by top management. In that manner, it reduces their creativity. They are not applying their own creativity. So planning reduce creativity. Fourth point, fourth limitation, planning involves huge cost. Definitely when the plans are going to be drawn out, a whole team is required and number of people are engaged in that. Definitely it's not free of cost. That incurred cost, experts are required. So we have to compare the cost incurred in planning and the benefit we are derived from that planning, or we are getting from that planning. So before doing plan, organization must keep this thing in mind, that is the cost of plan. That is the limitation. Planning involve huge cost. Planning does not guarantee success. Definitely a future is uncertain, and business environment is always work in uncertain environment. Making a plan doesn't mean that it's a guarantee to success. It depends on the prediction of the managers. If the managers are perfect in making predictions, then success of plan it is there. But if they are not, their prediction is not correct, then definitely planning does not guarantee success. Moving toward the last limitation, planning is a time consuming process. Definitely when the organization people or top management people or at any level, when they make plan, it is time consuming, and many times it is based on the past performance also. So number of things are there. So keeping number of things in mind, then the last final plan is drawn. That's why it is time consuming. But definitely students, despite of its limitation, planning is, we can't say that it is useless activity. It is useful activity. It is a tool to be used with caution. It provides a base for analyzing future course of action. So we can't deny. So in spite of all the limitation, planning is very important. Thank you students for the day.